You should be posting social media content like this. This video got me 20K views, 120 shares. My engagement is off the charts with 90%, 1,640 comments, and almost 3,000 likes. And then look at all the crazy comments here. They go on and on. I can't even reply to them anymore. Hi, my name is Ronnie, aka Dad Learns Money, and I am your affiliate digital marketing mentor. When you post content, post with a purpose and intention. If you're struggling to find out what content to post and you just wake up each day and wing it, let me tell you what you need to do. In my community, I teach all of my students about what content to post and how to post it using pillars. Using pillars to put out your content will help you nurture your audience from becoming just viewers into customers. Using pillars will also help you attract the right people to your content while growing your social media following. And if you do it right, you'll get crazy engagement. Here's one pillar I teach inside my private Facebook group, which you can join in my bio. Breakthrough. This pillar involves sharing the challenges and struggles you face on your journey to success. It includes the steps you took to overcome obstacles and how you develop your solution. If you want to learn about the other 3 pillars I teach my students, join my Facebook group or leave a comment down below, meet my coach, and I'll reply back with video.